One of the important things about replacing a front missing tooth with a dental implant is that if nothing is done, you end up losing some of the bone that's supporting that tooth. And as a result, you end up damaging the aesthetics of your smile because the gums will look uneven, there may be a depression. And so the only thing we can do to maintain that bone is place a dental implant. And that's amazing because we don't have to damage these adjacent teeth. We're able to maintain the bone in that area for good placement of an implant and long-term results, which then later on in life, you don't have to do any other dental work on the adjacent teeth. Typically with a bridge, it gets complicated. It's fine for 5-10 years, and then you have to either make it larger or have root canals done and different treatments that typically aren't necessary. So give us a call. We'd love to restore that confidence you've had and give you a beautiful smile.